Hi guys! In this tutorial, let's learn how to crochet this gorgeous Plumeria flower. As usual, I'm gonna go straight to the materials and steps. I have the 5-strand mill cotton yarn here. The yarn thickness is about 2mm and I'm gonna match it with a 3mm hook from Tulip. This project does not take up much yarn, so you can use up your scrap white yarn if you have any. Also, you don't have to use the same type of yarn as mine. You can choose any kind of yarn, just make sure to match it with a suitable hook size. So, start with a foundation chain of 10. We are gonna work around the chain. Row 1, chain 1 as the turning chain or the standing chain. Single crochet to the first foundation chain, which is currently the second chain from hook. Then make a single crochet to each of the next 8 chains. Oh, I forgot. I always suggest inserting a marker to the first stitch so that we can easily keep track of where the row starts. Now you should have one last foundation chain. We're gonna work a 3-stitch increase, which means to make 3 single crochet into the same last chain. We are now on the opposite side of the foundation chain. Continue to work along this side. Make a double crochet to each of the next 3 chains. Then make a treble crochet to each of the next 5 chains. And finally, make a single crochet to the chain which you have worked the first stitch to. To join the row, make a slip stitch to the first chain which you have just marked. Row 2, chain 1, then make a treble crochet not to that first stitch, but to the next one, which is the second stitch. Then continue to work a treble crochet to each of the next 4 stitches. Next is to make a double crochet to each of the next 3 stitches. And then skip 1 stitch and slip stitch to the next one. Cut the yarn and hide the tail. And there you have the first petal. I'm gonna paint it by applying a little yellow to the bottom center and blend it outwards steadily. Repeat 4 more times to create a total of 5 separated petals. Then I'm gonna use the hot glue to assemble the 5 petals together to form a flower. That's how I make a plumeria flower. I'm thinking of attaching it to a hair clip since it would make a beautiful hair accessory. What about you? I hope you enjoy making your own plumeria flower and please share the occasion you use it in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I will be back with more free crochet ideas. See ya!